I guess we're gonna call this, what, Beaver Dam blow up number 2, because we got our butts whipped by them furry fools. They have built that dam back exactly as if it never happened the first time. So, I got about twice as much material this time, and we're gonna take and mix this up, and we're gonna have not one but 2, count 2 explosions. We're gonna have 2 shooters at the same time. We're gonna set up 2 separate areas on either side of the dam because it's so long. And then we're gonna do a countdown and we're gonna blow it up. We're gonna see how it fares. Explosion. And this is going to be the second. Double the power. off exactly like we had planned simultaneously, but we still had two explosions and two massive holes in the dam right there. And I would like to make a disclaimer right now that, to my knowledge, no beavers were harmed during the making of this movie. Can't say so much as for tonight when they come back, but we'll see.